Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are drawing someone very special. Can you guess who? That's right, it's number block 3. Let's get started. Grab your pencil and marker and let's draw number block 3 together. This is our number blocks 3. This is our number blocks 3. Here are arms and dot are red color and body is yellow. Let's grab your pencil. First of all, we color number blocks 3's bodies. 3 blocks will be yellow. Here I'm drawing number blocks 3's body and coloring yellow. First, we'll draw number block 3's body. It's a rectangle made up of 3 squares stacked on top of each other. 1, 2 and 3 is right. Now let's give number block 3 a friendly face. Start with 2 big happy eyes right here. 1, 2 and don't forget the eyebrows for extra expression. Then let's add a big smile because number block 3 is always cheerful. Time to add some arms and legs so number block 3 can move around. Draw 2 small arms on the sides and 2 short legs at the bottom. There you go, perfect. Now it's time to bring number block 3 to life with some color. Color is square, bright red and don't forget the yellow eyes. Wow, it's looking great already. And we are done. Look at our amazing number block 3. Doesn't look fantastic? Great job everyone. Don't forget to share our drawing with us. And if you had a fun, hit that like button and subscribe for more creative videos. See you next time. Bye bye.